What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another Bitcoin weekly update. The date is November 5th, 2018. Let's take a look at what Bitcoin did last week and our projections for this coming week. So if you guys watched my last Bitcoin update video, I was talking about this level here at 6213, this little blue line right down here. This is the yearly support order block. Once again, it held. I did tell you guys last week that shorting there would not be a very good trade. Hopefully you guys didn't short the bottom. And like I stated before, even if you won that short, it wouldn't have been a good trade to take multiple times because your percentage of winning that trade is going to be very low when you are shorting a yearly support. And I told you guys I was going to be looking for an entry if it retested that 6213 level. That's basically what I did. It came down, retested. I didn't get a perfect entry. I re-entered towards like 6280, and then I closed position down when this candle broke here. I haven't been trading as much on the weekends. I'm trying to limit my trading on weekends. And the funny thing is, now Bitcoin's starting to move on weekends. We saw this candle right here on Sunday. It was a miniature short squeeze. We got a lot of the shorts to close, and we'll take a look at that later. But the shorts are lower than the longs now. We have about a 1 ratio of longs to shorts currently. My outlook is still pretty neutral. I am leaning more bullish, obviously. Still about 60-40 bullish, probably even a little bit more after seeing this candle. But we are kind of in like a no trade zone. Because if you took a long here, you could easily get chopped out. If you took a short here, you could easily get chopped out. So it's kind of hard to take a trade here if you're not already in a trade. Your trade should have been either a long at the bottom or a short somewhere at the tops here. Other than that, it'd be hard to open a trade here unless you don't mind having a very wide stop loss. So you could take like a long here and have a stop loss below the lows here or below the order block. Or you could take a short here and have your stop loss above the level here, or maybe even above that level. But both of those trades are kind of not the best kind of trade you could take. Like I said, your longs should have been opened in this order block, somewhere above this level in between the top of the order block. That would be a very good place for a long entry. You could FOMO in a little bit here, but obviously FOMOing is never a good idea. If you did FOMO here, like I said, your stop loss would have to be below this level for it to be kind of a proper trade setup. And for you to get a 2-to-1 risk to reward there, you would have to get, let's see, your stop loss would be about, 3.5%, which is not good. So you'd have to get a 7% reward. Yeah, so not a very good trade there. So what we're going to look at here is what I was telling you guys about earlier. The longs to short ratio might be a little hard to see with these graphs. This is the green one is obviously the longs. The red one is the shorts. I'll get rid of these so we can look at the chart. This is the long to short ratio, and on the bottom, this is the spread. This is the spread between the longs to shorts. So we could see here the spread was about 14,000 at about October 20th, October 18th. This was the peak of the spread. And then we saw the longs start to come back. And now we're seeing a spread of about 2.3 thousand. And it's a long spread, meaning the longs are higher than the shorts. So all those videos that I made weeks back about seeing a massive short squeeze, we're probably not going to see that because these shorts are all closing. Almost all of these shorts have closed. You can see here, this little move up here killed most of the shorts. So we're not going to see like a massive short squeeze to like 6,800 that I was predicting before. Because you can see here, the ratio is already closed. The shorts are already less than the longs. For there to be a massive short squeeze, you need the shorts to be very, very high. We're not seeing that currently. So I do not predict a short squeeze. If we do see a move up, it's going to be a healthy move up. a lot of people are going to be opening longs. It's not going to be because people are closing their shorts, because most of the shorts are closed. We still have, let's see how many shorts are left. 21,000 shorts are still open, and then we have about 24,000 longs that are open. So we probably will not see a massive short squeeze, but we could still see a move up. Just because there's not going to be a short squeeze doesn't mean there's not going to be a move up. What I'm saying is there's just not going to be a massive candle like this that just engulfs all of the shorts stop losses. And what I want to see here for a healthy long is I want to see a move up here, a break of this level at 65.15, a close above it, and then either a retest or a close above this level at 66.40. For a clean move down, I want to see a move down, a lower high inside the order block, and then I want to see a clean break of 62.13, and then maybe a retest. But even if I see this, I'm not going to short it. I do not short yearly support. I will not be shorting this order block, no matter how many times it's tested. That is just not a good play. So I will be looking for this move up. Like I said, look for a break of the level and then maybe a retest, or a break of this level and then a retest. That is what I'm looking for. We could see a long consolidation here because we are in this range that we were in before we had that move down. And that range is right here in between 64.57 and 63.49. So we could see a lot of consolidation here before we see either a retest of the order block or a retest of these upper levels. But that is my outlook on the coming price action. If you guys did not notice, I uploaded my second video for the teaching technical analysis in under 10 minutes. So if you guys haven't watched that yet, please go give it a look. And if you guys like it, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. I will be seeing you guys next, probably Sunday or Monday, for another update video. And then the next video in the teaching series is probably going to be uploaded around Thursday or Friday. Have a good one, guys. I'll see you guys next week.